Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna club sandwich at home. Gather canned tuna, mayo, bread, lettuce, tomato, bacon, cheese, salt, and pepper, plus a skillet and toaster. Start by draining tuna, mixing mayo and seasonings, and toasting bread slices lightly. Cook bacon until crispy and slice tomato thinly. Assemble with tuna, lettuce, tomato, bacon, and cheese in stacked layers, then press and cut into quarters. Start by draining tuna well to keep your sandwich from becoming soggy. In a bowl, combine tuna with 1 to 2 tablespoons mayo, a squeeze of lemon, and salt and pepper to taste. Add diced celery or pickles for crunch and stir gently until combined. Taste and adjust seasoning, remembering that bright, balanced flavors make the tuna filling sing in each bite. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while cooking and cleaning up. I find them great for long kitchen shifts and morning runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Toast your bread to golden brown for crunch and structure. On the bottom slice, spread a thin layer of tuna, then add lettuce, tomato, and crispy bacon, finishing with a slice of cheese. Top with the second toast slice and press lightly or place briefly in a hot skillet to melt the cheese. Cut into quarters on the diagonal to create classic club style, serving portions and enjoy while warm.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.